Another useful thing, folks, we got here inside the old computer is a fan here. What you want to do is, so you can keep this because that's going you can use that probably for something too. We'll find out later. But anyhow, let's go ahead and strip your wires. Okay, and what I have here is an old USB. Your old USB cable. Cut the wire end off of the phone side. Doesn't matter what USB. They all going to be USB like this. USB-C, S, whatever one it is. Cut the ends off. Locate your two wires. Strip them. Get your fan wire stripped. Some shrink cable, or you can use some electrical tape. It doesn't matter. And we're going to shrink this together. You know, cut a couple of pieces off. Now, before you shrink them together, make sure you place the tube on the wires first. Like so. And then give it a little twist. Stretch it out, lay it down. Do the same for the other side. We're going to cover the splice. Cover the splice on both sides. You're going to need a heat gun or a lighter, any kind of heat source. Let me plug my heat gun up here. Now, excuse the noise, folks. I'm a little messy here. Let it go. Like that there. Now you can use a plug or you can use the PC. I'm going to show you the PC because that's what I made it for. This extra yellow wire, we don't need it. We can cut that out the way. Okay, folks, follow me. All right, here we go, folks. Just plug it into your USB plug like here. Voila. Now you're cooling. Ain't no reason why you can't be cool sitting at your desk anymore.
There you go.
Thanks for watching.